ready to unlock a treasure trove of code and supercharge your projects. Today, we're diving into how to get code from GitHub, the ultimate playground for developers. Let's get started. First up, cloning a repository. Navigate to the GitHub repository. Do you want to copy? See that green code button? Click it. A drop-down menu will appear. You'll see options for HTTPS, SSH, and GitHub CLI. HTTPS is the easiest for beginners. Choose HTTPS. Copy the URL that's displayed. This is the address of the entire repository. Now, open your terminal or command prompt. Type the command git clone followed by the URL you just copied, and hit enter. This downloads the entire repository to your computer. Want just one file? No problem. Navigate to the file you need within the repository on GitHub. Click on the file. You'll see its content. Look for the raw button. Click it. This displays the file in its purest form. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Save As to download the file directly. Finally, let's talk about package managers. Many libraries and dependencies are available on GitHub and can be easily integrated into your projects using tools like npm, pip, or others. Find the installation instructions in a repository's README file. Simply copy the command provided and paste it into your terminal. This will automatically download and install the package into your project. And there you have it. You've now mastered 3 ways to grab code from GitHub. Now go forth and build amazing things.